thoughts, mama.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Deal TV. If you are new, nice to meet you. My name is Aniyah. If you're not new, thank you for looking back with me, Dirk. I know I truly appreciate the support. As you guys run the title, I'll be trying out a new TikTok meal hack. So as you all can see, this is something a little bit different on my channel. I have never done a cooking video, so I decided to just do this because I had saw this on TikTok and I thought it was pretty good. So what it is that it is ramen noodles with grilled shrimp, and I'll just be showing you all the clip on the side right here so you all can see what I am making today. So yeah, it's really nothing else much to explain. You all will just be seeing me cook this dish, and I hope you all enjoy. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and also follow all my social medias. It'll be somewhere on the screen. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. So as you can tell by my reaction, I really like it and I will 100% recommend. But this completes the very end of my video. As you all can see, I am showing the food again. It was so good, girl. Like so good. I highly recommend it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below if you want me to do more cooking videos. And don't forget to subscribe too, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.